Good afternoon, people of Facebook land and YouTube land. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. What you're looking at today is a satellite miser. Here's the box for it. Now, I got this on eBay. It was an impulse buy. Clearly, the fan on the little drawing here, the illustration on the box, doesn't match the fan itself. The fan itself seems to be just a run-of-the-mills view fan, but didn't realize, when I got it, it was, like I said, it was an impulse buy, and I had no clue about, what this fan on the box was, but I just, it seemed like such an interesting, knew it was a funky old fan, so I decided to get it. A little more than I certainly wouldn't have bought it if I had known it was just a view fan. I certainly wouldn't have spent with the fan plus the shipping was like $90. So certainly wouldn't have spent that. But live and learn. So actually, I didn't learn a damn thing. I'd do it again 10 times over. But until I run out of money. But anyway, it does move a decent amount of air. I think the first eBay fan I purchased was a view fan identical to this, new in the box. It had some kind of funny name. I don't think it was actually view fan, but it's your basic little. Don't know. I wouldn't go so far as to call it an industrial fan, but it's a commercial fan anyway. It's light kit adaptable. I may or may not do a video with light kit installed, might eventually, but not right now. So anyway, without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. And it did come with a 5-speed control. I'll shut it off with the spin down. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. Have a YouTube page and a Facebook page of the same name. And once again, my name is Mark Wilson. I'm sure some of you folks watching know me from the various Fanimation tours I've attended over the years. Others I might be friends with on Facebook. But I always like to network with other fan enthusiasts, and I do buy, sell, and trade vintage ceiling fans. I primarily collect industrial fans and commercial fans, but occasionally I'll come across a residential fan I like the Newtone Veranda Deluxe, the Casablanca Spirit of Saturn. You know, they're few and far between. You know, I own a bunch of them, but I primarily collect industrial fans. I'm always looking for blender fans and you know, gold lines, Dayton Lascos, and just random weird fans. You know, strange industrial fans and various spinners. So keep me in mind if you ever come across one. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Good night and good luck.